Hello, this is Ronald from Beyond 20. In this video, we're going to create a task automatically based on an incident classification. We're going to use the out-of-the-box Cherwell demo database, and the incident classification that we're using for this demonstration is the service of printing, a category of desktop, and the subcategory of request desktop printer. Again, we're using the out-of-the-box demo database from Cherwell. And to do this task automatically, we're going to create a new blueprint. And we're going to perform this task on the save action for incident. So you'll create a new blueprint, you select incident, and then you select edit actions. From here, you click on automatic actions, and then you select the save actions. You right click and choose add one-step action. When you get to the incident object's one-step location, you right click and you choose new, and you give your one-step a name. We're going to call this create task based on printer request. And then we add our steps. In this step, we're going to create a child business object. And the child business object that we select from the business object drop down will be task. We will make the new record current, and we will also save the business object after this step. So let's choose the different fields that we're going to set for this task. We'll of course need a description, and in here we'll click on the template and we'll just type in order printer for, and in this demo, we're just going to use the customer that's requesting the printer as the person for whom we're going to order this printer. So we're going to click the drop down. We're going to select the incident fields, and we'll look for customer display name. The next field we're going to set is the owned by team, since we'll probably know which team is going to order our printer. We're going to choose set value, click from our selection, and then we'll just use first level support for this demonstration. Then we'll give our task a title. And again, we'll use the template to set this value. And we'll just pretty much use the same as we used for the description. Order printer 4. Click the drop down to select our fields. Use customer display name to set our title. Next, we'll set the type of task. And again, we'll click the set value option. This will give us a list of options that we can choose for this field. And we're going to make this a work item. And last but not least, we'll probably know when we want to have this done by, so we'll give it a minimum of 1 business day. So we'll choose our due date. We'll choose our template. And from here, we're going to create a custom expression. We're going to give this an editor of date time math. We're going to base it on the current date time. From here, we'll select system functions, and we'll choose current date time, amount of 1. The units will be days, and to make it a business day, we will choose our working hours calendar instead of the 24/7 clock. 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. We say OK. And this is how we select a business day instead of just a one day. So when we're done with this, we select OK. And then let's look at the fields that we've set in this demonstration. We've set a description, we've set the owned by team, the title, and the type of task, and then the due date for this task to be completed. We've also made the new record current, and we're going to save the business object after this step. So we're done with this. We click on OK. We click on OK. Make sure we have our new one step selected. We click on OK, and it takes us back to our incident automatic actions. Now we don't really need to see the progress in this. You could keep this checked if you like, but we'll uncheck this for now. It will execute on the first save. And again, if there are any additional changes, it will execute on additional saves. And this will execute before it saves the record. So now we click on OK, and we publish our blueprint. We give it a name. Create printer order task. We save it. And it publishes without errors. Now to test this, we're going to run our blue client. Log into our demo database. And we'll just use the default CSD admin out of the box. Again, everything out of the box, just the standard defaults. And now we'll create a new incident. So we'll click on New Incident, and we'll give it the classification that we talked about earlier, which is a service of printing category of desktop and a subcategory of request desktop printer. So let's choose a requester. We'll just choose Henri for this one, and a short description. And a description. And so the service, as we mentioned, will be printing. The category will be desktop, and the subcategory is request desktop printer. We'll get this a priority of whenever possible. And let's save this. And as you can see, it automatically created a task for this incident. And the task, put in the title that we created when we set up the one step, the description, the work item, and of course the due date would be one date from the date that the incident was created. So that's pretty much it. I've shown you how to create a task based on incident classification. It's pretty simple. This was, we made a lot of assumptions in this, but I'm sure you can expand on this and If you need some assistance and have any questions, please be sure to give us a call at Beyond 20. If you have any questions about other things in Cherwell that you would like assistance with, again, give us a call at Beyond 20. Take a look at our videos, subscribe to our channel, and we hope you've enjoyed this demonstration.